So what's up guys, and welcome back to a brand new vlog. So today I will teach you, or rather I should guide all those people in my own perspective of how you should know and how you should learn to ride a motorcycle. Okay, now before we get into how to learn to ride a motorcycle, let me tell you a few things about a motorcycle. Okay, now this is a Royal Enfield Classic 350. Okay, the few things that you should be concerned before riding a motorcycle, the first thing is safety. Okay, you always need to be safe while you ride a motorcycle. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to get your gears. You need to get a helmet, which is very important. Okay, that is the most important thing that you should need while you are riding on the road. And the other things that you might need are gloves and jackets and all that, but those are secondary things. Those are also very important, but those are secondary things that you will be needing for safety while you are riding a two-wheeler. Okay, now another thing is control. These vehicles, yes, they are two-wheelers, but they do have an engine in it. Okay, it's not that you're pedaling with your legs and you are controlling the whole speed of the thing with your legs. Okay, there are a little things in this where you need to control this vehicle. Okay, like in a cycle you pedal and the thing moves in front, right? Over here you have to accelerate and the vehicle moves in front. Okay, so control is a very important thing on a two-wheeler before you start learning how to ride it. The third thing is balance. Okay, a two-wheeler needs balance. Now if you don't have balance on a particular thing, you will not be able to ride it. So before you ever actually even reach riding a two-wheeler, I would rather tell you to get your balance first. Okay, ride a cycle or ride a scooty or something like that without any gears, okay, or without an engine, and get your balance first. Okay, balance is very important on a two-wheeler. The next thing also which is very important is confidence. Okay, you need confidence to ride a vehicle. You cannot be scared all the time. I know it will be a little bit hard in the beginning, but once you gradually get into riding every day, slowly you will gain confidence from inside yourself to ride on the road, and you will not be scared anymore. Okay, so these are the few things I wanted to say before getting into riding a vehicle. Since I've already said all that, let's get into riding the vehicle. Okay, so guys, today we are going to learn how to ride a motorcycle on this bike. Okay, so now that we are getting into riding the motorcycle, let me tell you a few things that you should know before getting onto a motorcycle. Okay, things like, this is the clutch. Okay, this is what you will use to engage your gears, even to slow down your bike or to just control your bike when you are having little bit problems. Okay, this is your accelerator that you are going to accelerate while you are going to move your vehicle forward. This is your front brake. These are your gears that you will be moving up and down to change your gears. And this is your rear brake that you will be pressing to stop the bike with your rear brake. Okay, one thing I need you all to know is that you all need to use your rear brake much more than your front brake when you are riding and stopping your vehicle. Okay, your rear brake should be like your primary brake, and your front brake should be only used when in emergency time. Okay, when you feel like your bike is not stopping with your rear brake, then you should use your front brake. Okay, but keep both the brakes always in your touch. Your front brake should always be in the touch of your hand, and your rear brake should always be in the touch of your feet. Okay, so these are the gears of the bike. Let me tell you how the gears are going to move. Okay, now when you press this one down, it will engage the first gear. Okay, and then you go 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's how you will go up, and then you bring it again back to 4, 3, 2, 1, and in the middle of 1 and 2 is neutral, which is a slight touch. Okay, you will get used to it while you are riding. And one thing again guys, do not change those gears without engaging this clutch. Okay, if you change that gear without engaging this clutch, okay, you are going to jerk the bike and the bike is going to fall. Okay, please remember that. Do not engage that gear without engaging this clutch. Okay, this will all move simultaneously. A lot of things move very simultaneously while riding a bike, okay, which you will see in the few more minutes into this video. Okay, so now let's get on to the bike. Check the stand is always up. Now before you start your vehicle, always check that your vehicle is on neutral. Okay, your vehicle always should be on neutral when you are starting it, and you shouldn't be touching anything while starting a vehicle. You should be just clicking the ignition and it should start. This is how your vehicle is going to start. Before you start riding, get a feel of the vehicle. Okay, it's all about the feel, guys. First, feel your clutch, feel your brake, feel your accelerator, okay, and get a feeling of the vehicle first. Now when you want to engage, you first hit your clutch and hit first gear. Okay, see, now the vehicle is on gear, it's on first gear. Now I don't want you to accelerate in one go. Okay, first I want you to check how the bike is moving. Okay, so now if you see that if you move the clutch a little, if you move it, you see the bike will start automatically moving. Okay, see, I am not giving any accelerator and the bike is automatically moving. Means at a certain range, this is where the clutch is engaging the gear and the bike is starting to move. Okay, see, it is starting to move slowly. If you can, guys, I want you to first do this, okay, with your feet down. All that you are going to do in the beginning is between first and second gear and understanding how the bike feels. Okay, so you keep both your feet down and first feel the clutch engagement of the bike. Okay, feel where the clutch is engaging. See, the clutch is this much out and the bike is moving. Okay, keep your feet down. Why? Is because I want you to create that balance inside yourself. Okay, first, as I said in the beginning, you need balance in a vehicle. Okay, so now I'll bring the vehicle to a halt again, full clutch in, and see, the vehicle has stopped. Now when you are going to move with the accelerator, okay, as I told you in the beginning, it has to move simultaneously. Okay, do not rush in this. Please go very patiently and try to move it simultaneously. Now, as in the beginning again, move the clutch out a little bit, you will feel the bike moving, and while the bike is moving halfway when it's engaged, give a little accelerator. Okay, a little accelerator and you will see the bike moving. Okay, now I don't want you to go very fast over here. In fact, even if you can keep your legs down over here as well, I would want you to keep your legs down. But see, it's going right. Now you can leave the clutch fully and you can just ride this bike and get a feel of the bike on first gear. Do not ride it fast. Once again, just get a feel of the bike and feel how the bike is moving in the first gear. Okay, you will feel little bit jerkingness also. That will show you how to control your accelerator. Okay, if you go too fast, the bike will go too fast. So that's why I said don't go too fast. Just move slowly. Okay, give a light feather touch on the accelerator and the bike will move very slowly. Okay, and you need to do this on first gear for the first couple of hours or the first couple of days that you are learning how to ride a bike. And while you are riding this bike, okay, like each time you are wanting to slow down, okay, slow down, give a slow touch on your rear brake and you see the bike will slow down, and accelerate again and you see the bike will move again. But don't accelerate too fast once again. Now to bring the bike back to a halt, pull the clutch in fully, leave the accelerator, stop the bike first with your rear brake, and this is how the bike is going to come to a full halt. Okay, once again, when the bike is in full halt, put the bike into neutral, and then you can leave the handle. The bike is not going to go anywhere. Okay, so now I think you know, guys, how to engage the gear, how to accelerate, and how to move slowly forward. Okay, now what we are going to do is how to go into second gear and third gear. Okay, so here I again engage the clutch, first gear, and simultaneously with the clutch and the accelerator I move. So this time when we are moving, we are going to engage the second gear as well. Okay, always keep an eye for all the directions of the road, because you don't know where people are going to come out from. That's another thing that you need to be very important while riding, is you need to be very attentive. Okay, to be very attentive on the road, because the road is filled with idiots, guys. Okay, you might be riding in the best way possible with all the caution in the world, and you'll see another guy coming in and just hitting you from some side, okay, which you will not like. Hence I say be very attentive while you are riding. Okay, now let us engage into second gear. Okay, now we'll take this turn and we are going to engage into second gear. Okay, now the bike is moving, and just get a feel of the bike. Okay, you will feel the bike when the bike wants to change into second gear. When you get that feeling in the accelerator, you just pull in the clutch, engage your second gear, which is pulling the lever one up. Okay, and your bike is in second gear now. Again, once again on second gear, you need to ride very slowly. Do not be in a hurry. As I said, patience is the key. Just ride on second gear and get a feeling of the bike, how it is going. And once you feel on second gear also that you can change, when you feel the bike that it wants to change, you engage third gear, like how we did right now. Now we have engaged third gear, and the bike is moving a little faster now. Now when you're coming to a halt and you're going to turn, just come back slowly, engage second gear again and move. Again another turn, slow down the bike, engage first gear and move. Now we are back onto first gear on the bike. You need to do this in utmost patience for the first few days, guys, because as I told you, you need to gain that confidence of riding. Once you have that confidence of riding, it's just a piece of cake and you will have fun. Trust me, guys. Okay, for me, riding is fun, and if you're not having fun while riding, then what's the use of it, right? So now that we know how to start the bike, how to engage our gears, how to ride the bike, okay, let's ride the bike a little bit confidently now. Okay, let's give a little confidence in the riding and ride. Okay, as I said, we are in first gear once again, and now we will be going on to the main road. Once again a turn has come, slow down, clutch in, first gear and accelerate again simultaneously with the clutch. Each time you see a bend coming or anything like that, slow your vehicle down. Now we are coming to a halt, clutch, stop, neutral, and you can leave your handles. The bike is on neutral now and it's not going to go anywhere. Now you can just enjoy the rest of the video of some confident riding. Let's move. Clutch, first gear engaged, and we are moving. Get a feel of the vehicle and hit second gear. Get a feel of second gear. When it needs to change, feel your vehicle and change into third gear. Now you can see traffic in front. We need to slow the vehicle down. So slow the vehicle down, engage the clutch, second gear, first gear. Keep the clutch pulled in while you're rolling, okay, in traffic. And now we are moving again. Second gear. Always give an indicator when you are going to move left and right. I'm going to move left, so I've given the left indicator. and the bike is still rolling on second gear, guys, right? Okay, because I did not need to change it. Now I feel the bike needing to change, so I will change to third gear. I feel it need to change again, so I will change to fourth gear. And this is how your bike is going to run smoothly and confidently after you learn and balance how to ride your bike in first and second gear for the first few days. Okay, please learn how to ride your bike on only first and second gear for the first few days, and in a very slow and patient way, because you can fall from these vehicles, and if you fall you can injure yourself. So please do not be in a rush in the beginning. Okay guys, and just see how much fun it is to ride a two-wheeler once you are set and once you are confident riding it. There is no rocket science behind this, guys. It's just patience and to do what you love. Okay, and it's about feeling as well. As I said, you need to feel your vehicle. You don't just ride like that like a robot. Okay, you need to feel your vehicle. Your vehicle will tell you how fast it wants to go, on what type of road it likes to ride on, when it wants to change its gears. Everything your vehicle will tell you. You just have to listen to it with some patience. Okay, so this was a video on how to ride a motorcycle for beginners. Please ride with caution, please ride with safety, and I hope this video was important for some people who want to start their motorcycle journeys. And once again, guys, it's just a small request. Nearly 92% of the people who see my videos are not really subscribed to my channel, guys. Now, as I said in my before video, again, it doesn't really take much to just hit a like and a subscribe. Okay, there are buttons over there and they are free to press on YouTube, and it really helps me at the end of the day, and it keeps me motivated as well. Okay, making these videos, trust me, everyone thinks being a YouTuber is easy. It's not. Okay, we go through a lot of hardships as well, and even I thought, you know, YouTubing was easy and this and that, but no, it's really a pain in the ass sometimes. So please do hit the subscribe button, give a like on the video if you like this video, and do share the video with your friends, guys, so they can also know how to ride a vehicle, how to ride a two-wheeler. So once again, if you like the video, please give a click on the like button, and please do subscribe to my channel and give a click on the bell icon so that you can get notified when I post up any new video on YouTube. Okay, this is Octon Boy Brandon signing off from this vlog. Bye bye.